Republic of the Philippines, ito yung Republic of the Philippines, province of Palawan, sa punong barangay. Certificate of operation is, this certificate is proudly represented to Wagas Riders Club, Palawan, Chapter. And since our application, participation, and valuable contribution to the Riders Club, Health and Barangay Bato-Bato, Palawan. Your dedication, initiative, and support have greatly contributed to the success and maraming true spirit of unity, community service, and passion that inspire others. Given this first day of June 2025 at Barangay Bato-Bato Urban Court, Palawan. Signed, Punong Barangay Honorable Bonda Ferrer Jr. Another certificate of operation is Wagas Riders Club, Aborlan Chapter.
Ay, Jo!
Receive natin po kung wala pang ating president. Aligo. Next, Palawan Straight Out. Okay, Palawan Freedom Riders Club. Palawan Bagwis Riders Club. Another certificate, Palawan Mountaineers Riders Club. Riders Club. Another certificate, Team Smash Palawan Riders Club. Certificate, Anais Lovers Riders Club.
So ngayon, bigyan muna natin ng
another certificate po, Club RR 157.
Parang muna natin na ito. Saan lahat ang mangyari?
Sabihan mo, isa pa.